Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add VAE to Stable Diffusion to improve your image generation quality. First of all, find and download a VAE file compatible with your model from trusted repositories like Hugging Face or Kivetai. Make sure the VAE matches your specific Stable Diffusion model. After that, once downloaded, place the VAE file in the models/VAE folder in your Stable Diffusion dictionary. In your Stable Diffusion script, make sure to load the VAE by adding the following line. Line is appear here. This will ensure the VAE is applied during image generation. And that's it. You have successfully added a VAE to Stable Diffusion, improving your image result. Thanks for watching.